Caitlin Matthews with your journey home at RE/MAX Alliance, and today we are so excited to bring to you the newest listing to the Morrison area. One of the great features of this property is its location. It is located 10 minutes to Conifer, 15 minutes to Red Rocks, and just moments to Highway 285. In addition, there's plenty of parking space with multiple garages and a private yard. Inside, you are sure to fall in love with the ideal floor plan. The expansive kitchen offers granite countertops, hickory cabinets, and has an open floor plan from the office, dining room, great room, and the living room behind me. The living room offers vaulted ceilings, bright windows, and a river rock fireplace. Upstairs offers bedrooms, the master suite, and downstairs has a full living quarters. Enjoy your private backyard, watching the local hummingbirds, the wildlife, or just relaxing on your private deck. Thank you for watching. If you or someone you know would love to call this wonderful property home, please contact me for any questions or for your private tour. Thanks, have a great day, and remember, smiles are contagious.